When generating reports in the gear icon Report tab of a client plan, you can fully customize the module selections and page order to provide tailor-made planning for each client. While this can be done each time you run a report, you can also create report templates. These templates allow you to save a particular report layout for quick and easy access going forward. Report templates can be created and saved in 2 different locations in RightCapital. Within each client plan, you can create a report template within the gear icon Report tab. After making your report selections, click the Save New Template button at the bottom of the report page. You will be asked to provide a template name so it can be easily accessed later. After creating and saving a template, you can easily apply that template within the report section of each client plan using the Select Template dropdown in the upper left of the page. You can also create and modify report templates in your Advisor portal by navigating to the Templates Report tab. To create a template here, click the Add Template button, name your template, make your report selections, and then click Save in the lower right of the page. If you need to modify a template at any point, you'll find a menu in the upper left of this area to select specific templates and make any necessary modifications. Be sure to click Save after making any changes. For more details on reports in RightCapital, please feel free to reference the RightCapital Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team for more information.